Welcome to Throttle Itch, and today we're going to talk about, do fuel system cleaners actually work? This one right here, you might have seen this on the store shelves, but this is a fuel system cleaner. The real question is, do they actually work? They claim to improve your mileage, restore your performance. Short answer, yes, but not in the way most people think. What they actually do. So over time, in the city, when you fill fuel, inconsistent fuel quality and tiny carbon particles, they all get collected in your fuel injectors. And when that happens, the injector spray pattern isn't fine or even like it should be. So instead of delivering a perfect spray, it gives you an uneven spray, which results into hesitation, idling, and uneven performance, which also results into a very loss of throttle response on your motorcycle. A quality fuel system cleaner like the Putoline has detergents that help to dissolve these carbon deposits and also help to spray evenly on the injector, which will retain the missing problems that your bike has, allowing the injector to spray the fuel more efficiently. What they don't do is basically a lot of people are confused about. This does not help in removing the ethanol percentage in your fuel. It's not going to give E20 to E10. It does not magically improve your mileage. Nothing is going to happen. It's just going to help clean and make sure the spraying pattern is even and fine like it should be, and the bike should perform the way it should. And it is not going to repair your fuel pump, clogged filters or worn injectors. This product is not going to help fix anything that is already broken. So when should you use one? If your motorcycle is running perfectly, you don't need to pour it in every single tank. But if you ride mostly in the city or in a stop and go traffic, or your bike is sitting idle or unused for a long period of time, a quality fuel injector cleaner can be recommended, considering the manufacturer also suggests it. It's going to be a maintenance, not a miracle cure. So what should you buy? You can buy any of the reputed brands like Putoline, Liquid Moly, Chevron, and other reputable brands that are there in the market, because these brands have a proven track record. You should definitely avoid brands or products that give you unrealistic claims like removes ethanol, adds 20 horsepower to your motorcycle, or even restores your engine back. If it sounds too good to be true, you should definitely avoid it. So do fuel system cleaners work? Yes, they do, but with the right reason and right quantity. They help keep a clean fuel system clean, but they never replace maintenance which your bike needs, good servicing, and a cleaner fuel. Remember, the best additive you can give to your motorcycle is by riding it, giving the best fuel and maintaining, like servicing on time. That's what helps to keep your motorcycle for a long period of time, and with you keeping a happy smile on your face while riding it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll get back to you with more such videos on Throttle Itch. See you with the next one.